Oh my gosh! He's got enough nitrous in it to blow himself up, period. What are we gonna do with all that nitrous, you say? Spool that 102mm turb, ski boy. Next stop, Dallas, to go drop her off at the body shop. Let's check out Preston's new shop. What? Stranger danger. Stranger danger. I didn't do it. I swear to God I didn't do it. What are you guys doing over here? Oh, look at the size of that turd. Get it! Get it! Man, you know how much them taillights are worth?
Yeah, go check the motor out. More people to be pissed off.
Oh, I love it.
And that last SWAT Cobra, a real Cobra.
Yeah. I love everything except for the heater hoses.
Yeah.
I dropped it off with Preston here. We're finally gonna have a hood on this damn thing, bro. It's amazing. The hood on it once upon a time, and 3 years ago it kind of blew off. I only had 4 hood pins on it, and ejecto hoodo, cuz it was gone.
Without it.
Yeah, it was gone. You like it without the hood?
I like it without it.
Yeah, I like it without the hood. It does kind of look pretty good, but we're gonna have that flat hood life, bro. We gotta see what that flat hood life's all about. All right, next time you'll see this junker, she's gonna have a hood on her. Now we gonna go load up the transmission and take off to Arizona again. Okay, we made it. Drove all night, made it to Hughes.
So like I'm fixing my fuck up, man. I gotta fix my fuck up, man.
Like I told you guys earlier, this is what happens when you rush everything and you're like thrashing to make it to Florida. You couple motors in, pull the trans in and out, and you don't put fluid in it. You hurt the transmission. And they make great products, right? But it needs fluid to be able to do what it's supposed to do, right? So what an idiot I am for not putting fluid in it.
It happens. It's not uncommon. We're just gonna go through and make sure everything's good on it, and then it'll be turned around in a day. So he'll get it back and go back and make what race are you trying to make?
Small tire gangsters. Like, we'll be leaving Wednesday actually. Yep.
Yeah, he'll make it.
Alrighty, they got me fixed up again, and they said, "Hey, bro, key ingredient. You know what I'm saying? Like, key ingredient into making this thing last and do what it's supposed to do. Put fluid in it."
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Who would have thought? Dude? Who would have thought that you got to put fluid in it, man? That's wild, you know.
Definitely. Not too many people know that, but you definitely need fluid in order to put an automatic transmission down.
Yeah, 100% my fault, guys. This is like use me for an example of why you just need to slow down. Follow all your steps, check everything over before you just throw everything in a race car and go out there and try to make some rips down the street, because this was a costly mistake. So he's on the ways to get the racing car from my boy Preston. We had to stop somewhere to get something to eat. Thank gosh Dallas has somewhere good to eat. Man was all hungry. I'll tell you what. I can't believe that lady, that freaking gas station in freaking Florida, was like, "What's you in and out?" Yeah, stupid. Shut up, old lady. Picking it up with the hood. He's gonna keep the hood so he can get it painted, but I got it all fit. What's up, dog? Why are you hiding though?
Another day. Tired.
They fixed my hood for me when I was here. They said, so next time I get mad, I could, just go ahead and... Yokes. Y'all got yokes, my guy.
Yeah.
No.
And if it fails,
It's
you got a
pretty-
spare you can hang in the trailer.
Oh, yeah.
Spare one. So.
Well, yeah, the car is probably
Yeah,
not
right
the
there.
best idea to... Yeah. Oh, man. About it right now, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather not talk about it. So anyway, we're gonna load this thing in the trailer. I gotta do a transmission. We got our trans back, y'all saw that. Trans, get the test in, make 1 or 2 hits, and then we'll be at Yellow Belly. Y'all gonna make Yellow Belly?
Maybe. We're crossing our fingers right
Hell yeah. Be in the box. Next stop, Race Motorsports. Dad, did you say you needed some carbonated dater studs?
Yes, sir.
I got the studs right here! See right there? Right, they ain't good enough for no carbonized dater, but they get the job done.
Yeah. Thank you.
He starts making fun of me for my drinks. This episode brought to you by these guys. If they want to do something like that, that'd be pretty cool, you know? That'd be yeah, but still. What happened? You said I'm going to be working on a Foxbody, so you wanted to work on a Foxbody?
Yeah, I didn't want you to feel left out.
You just watered this one when I was gone and it multiplied. Oh, enough! Jesus, that thing's got more travel than a Baja 1000 buggy or whatever the heck them things are called, like a dune wagon or a buggy, mobile, the sand buggy dude, you know? In order for us to make Florida and also do a little testing at Yellow Belly, my good buddy Austin Jones let me use his torque converter. It's a torque converter that I actually sold him. So it's my old torch converter. I don't know. Probably fine. We're probably fine. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. So anyway, his old torch converter, and I borrowed his transmission so we can make the race. Shout out, Austin. I really appreciate you, big dog. Thank you. Make sure you guys go check out his YouTube channel. He got a pretty slick little S10. It's not very fast. It's kind of slow because he doesn't listen very much and he changes a bunch of stuff. But bless his heart, he's trying. I'm just kidding. It's kind of quick. I just like to give him crap because he's my boy, you know?
Get a calculator, do the math, I made 1,000.
Need help? Need help up in there? What do you got? What do you got going on here?
That's what should have been video, man.
Get me where to get it good. Good. Get me where to get it good. Oh, come and save me from these race cars because they're stupid expensive. They take all our freaking money. Fuck them speakers, boy. Fuck them because them speakers is stupid. There was the stupidest speakers everywhere. You don't got no Pioneer, boy. You got that budget stupid audio slave or whatever. The audio source. Yeah, just back them speakers, boy. We got Austin's transmission out. About ready to unwrap our unit from Hughes. We got our Hughes torch converter there. We're gonna get that put inside of there and put that up there. I was trying to wonder how many of them guys you think it takes to put a radiator back in? All they doing is putting a radiator in. I think we're ready. We'll go make a test slick tomorrow. Old Preston will come up here, get our hood and our doors on tomorrow. After that, we'll make a test slick. I got a little ahead of myself. We'll do doors, hood. We'll make a test slick. And then I think we'll be ready. I'll go make a test slick at FedEx, and then I think we'll be ready though.
Are you gonna know what to do with the hood?
I can't even see right now to even know what to do with anything. I gotta get out of here.
I don't think I've ever seen your car with a hood on it.
No, I'm pretty excited. It had a hood before I moved out here, but yeah. Ejecto Hoodo at Chuck Waller. That's where our fold down windows were invented.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Chuck Waller's been pretty popular for body panels for us.
Yeah.
Fold down windows invented. Ejecto Hoodo invented. So I think that flat hood's gonna look gangster though. So.
Yep.
Hell yeah! Thanks for your help, Dad.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, mother. Next stop, Bellow Yelly for Small Tire Gangsters. What do you think, Mike?
No,
I love the enthusiasm.
yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate everybody, all the love, everything, man. We've been feeling it lately. Thank you guys very much. It really does mean the world to us. Tell everybody. Tell Mike. Can you tell your grandma to come watch my YouTube channel?
Where? Small Tire Gangsters?
No, just YouTube. Just tell everybody to come watch my
Yeah,
YouTube.
we'll tell everybody.
Tell everybody to come watch my
Yeah,
YouTube channel. Yep.
everybody.
All right.
Even the guy at the gas station that can't watch YouTube.
I'm gonna go tell him right now.